Welcome back again. So in today's video, I'm going to share experience of my husband's recent visit to Barcelona, which is in Spain. So he traveled Barcelona via Dubai, which took him around 13 hours from Bangalore. So during his travel, he got the chance to experience VIP lounge at Dubai as well as at Barcelona International Airport. If you're vegetarian then in Dubai you can get few vegetarian cuisines options, but in Barcelona you will hardly find any. So except for lounge fee, you don't have to pay anything extra. Almost all the experiences are free here, including drinks. Just after landing to Barcelona airport, your home country SIM card might stop working, so you can buy new SIM card from the airport itself. You will find few touristic help desk as well, which can guide you regarding the various public transport, hotels and tourist places. They also provide these kind of pamphlets which give you fair amount of idea about the city and various charges of the touristic buses. To save extra euros, you can opt for local transport passes, which you can use in buses, local trains, and metros as well. 5 days pass will cost you around 35 euros. These prices vary on the zones you are traveling to. For detailed information and useful links related to public transport, you can visit my website and the link is there in the description box. You can board train number R5 from this station to Manresa Alta to reach SALTAMOS SKYDIVE BCN. This is the late evening view of the Barcelona city from the hotel lift. Very important information here, do not forget to carry universal travel adapter, because if you buy these adapter from the hotel you are staying in, you might end up paying twice or thrice of the actual cost. And you will not find mineral water bottles unlike in India in the room as complimentary. You have to pay extra for that to the hotel, and you can also buy these from the local shops in cheaper price for around 60 cents. For your information, at maximum places, tap water is drinkable here. So you can refill your bottles from the taps, but I would suggest to confirm with the hotel management before consuming the water. There were almost no options for breakfast for vegan and pure vegetarians except fruits and juices, so be prepared in advance and carry some ready to cook food along with you. Overall, shopping in Barcelona is little expensive, but you can check out stores like IKEA and Zara, which are quite reasonable here. Maximum tourist places remain crowded during weekends. Make sure to do your entrance tickets booking in advance, otherwise, it might happen you may have to return back from just visiting from outside. If you want to enjoy nightlife in Barcelona along with mesmerizing view, then this place is for you. This beach is surrounded by amazing restaurants, casinos and pubs. You can find lot of youngsters enjoying and playing beachside volleyball here. So time for the skydive. Have already documented lot of information related to skydive in Barcelona on my website. Don't forget to check out. Link is there in the description box. If you are reaching here via train, then you can request for free pickup and drop from Manresa railway station. Make your bookings at least 2 days in advance as there are limited slots every day, and better to choose weekdays over weekends as prices are less for weekdays. Your debit or credit card you are using must be enabled for international transaction. For me, SBI normal debit card didn't work, and if you are doing your bookings after reaching Barcelona, then you must enable service to receive your OTP on your email ID if in case your home country registered number is out of network.